friends, and welcome to another KD Productions puppet show. Today we have Sesame Street. Elmo wants to play ball with Abby. Enjoy the show.
Oh, pretty flowers. Wow! Wow, what a great stick! Wow, it's really cool. Looks like it's a perfect stick for playing stickball. Let's see. Swing. Yep. Perfect. Now that's all Elmo needs is a ball. I'm going to leave it right here. Oh. Oh. Wow. Look at this stick. It's beautiful. You know what this stick would be perfect for? Leading a parade. Get the stick. Oh no, Abby's got the stick. Elmo's stick. Well, what should Elmo do? Elmo wants to play with it. Boy, maybe Elmo could just take it from Abby. It's Elmo's stick. No, it's mine. It's Elmo's stick. No, it's mine. Well, Elmo doesn't want that to happen. Oh, boy. Maybe Elmo should just let Abby have the stick. But that would make Elmo too sad. Elmo really loves that stick. But Abby's Elmo's friend. Oh, boy. Maybe Elmo should just talk to Abby about it. Talk to me about what? Oh, about the stick, Abby. Oh, yeah, isn't it great? I just found it laying here. That's because Elmo left it there. Oh. Oh, you mean this is your stick? No, Elmo found it on the ground, but Elmo was going to play stickball with it. Elmo just left to get a ball. Oh, well, I guess since you had it first, then, well, here you go. Ah, thanks, Abby. Yeah, see you later. Oh, wait. Does Abby want to play stickball with Elmo? Stickball? Well, yeah, we could take turns hitting a ball with the stick. Well, yeah, that does sound like fun. And then maybe later, Elmo and Abby could play parade with the stick. You want to do that? Yeah, that would be great. And then maybe later, we could, I don't know, maybe we could play, limbo. Oh, limbo's a good idea. Yeah, I like that. How about playing pirates with this stick? Pirates would be